I just received this nail drill set. I'm going to be unboxing it with you, showing you what it looks like, showing you the features, showing you how it works. First and foremost, I would like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and unbox it and check it out. You can see everything is packaged neatly inside of the box, preventing it from any damage. So I do like that it is nice and packaged. The foam is nice and sturdy. Everything is in its place. It does have the user manual. This is the first thing that was on the top, kind of letting you know more about the product, showing you its additional features, how to properly use it and take care of it. So let's go ahead and check out the machine. As you can see, I've taken everything out. It does have the sanding bands. It has the power here and then the electric nail drill machine. So let me go ahead and take it out. Wow, everything was neatly packaged. A lot of different things inside of your box. First and foremost, let's take a look at the nail drill. So nice. It is actually very lightweight. It is not heavy, but I love the design. It has the branding right there. As you can see, it does have the cord right here. This will go ahead and plug into your machine. This is what the outlet looks like. Here is the machine, also very lightweight. As you could see, very nice. Everything intact. The little knob right here where you could go ahead and adjust according to the speed that you would like. The little screen right here. This is what the top part looks like. This is what the bottom looks like. As you could see, it does have these right here just to prevent it from moving around, so it could stay nice and secure. So let's go ahead and get this plugged in. As you can see on the back part here, this is where you will be plugging in your drill. So I went ahead and plugged it in. Here is the charging port, which it does include the charging cable. As you can see, the charging cable is included. So take a look. If you need to charge it, you could go ahead and plug this in there and you are set. So if you want to go ahead and take a look, the RPMs start from 0 all the way to 35,000 RPM. So you do get this little box right here. As you can see, you get your sanding bands up top and you have a total of 6 different nail bits on the bottom. You also get a dust cover, so you can go ahead and cover that up. It does have 6 different holes here, so you can go ahead and put your drill bits in there. As you can see, I put all the different nail bits in the little holes. This makes it super convenient to swap them out because it's just accessible right here. And then when you're done, you do have this little cover so they don't get lost or anything like that. So you get to keep them inside of the case. So this is super convenient. I love that this actually is included. A lot of the times you have to be picking out the nail drill bits from the little case that they come in. And another great benefit is that you do get additional sanding bands. They are coarse bands and fine bands included in here. So you do get 25 and 25 of each one. So let's go ahead and get this plugged up, take a look and see how it works. As you can see, I went ahead and plugged it up. It does have the LCD screen right here. The little knob, as you can see, it does have the battery life. It does show you that it's currently charging. You can adjust the speed. Take a look. So let me go ahead and show you how easy it is to change this. As you could see, it does have a lock and unlock. So you want to go ahead and lock and unlock that when you're trying to replace your nail bits. You hit unlock, this becomes accessible. So you want to go ahead and remove that. And then just replace it with whichever one you are needing. Just going to go ahead and pick that one, put that in. And then you want to place the other one back. Once you finish replacing it, you want to go ahead and lock it in place. This prevents it from coming out. So to use your nail machine, this is actually not flashing like this. It is due to the camera. It is actually just in place, but the camera kind of makes it look a little weird, like if it's flashing, but it is not. Once you are ready, you want to go ahead and press on this. And it's going to start. As you can see, you could adjust the speed. It's actually not noisy at all. It is very quiet. Simply turn the knob up and down to adjust accordingly. Super nice, and like I mentioned, it is very lightweight. you're looking for an electric drill machine, perfect for your home or the salon, I would check this one out.